Hey everybody, Ryan T25FEL. Pretty much is, this goes out to the guys, guns, fish, and 4x4. Pretty much is what I'm thinking with the Federal Lightnings is they're going to work pretty well. I know you probably had trouble in the past, but I haven't. And everything, I don't know. It all depends on if you got a good gun that you've been shooting several rounds through in a day. I mean, it all depends on how clean you keep it and oiled it is. I mean, I hope they shoot pretty well, but they've worked for me, and I know they've worked for other people. And yeah, just out here for a little drive to the shooting range. I just hope things turn out. I mean, I hope you like what I'm doing here for a video. So, stay tuned and we will see how they go. Peace. Back again. I'm at my local shooting range. I brought the Marlin Model 60 with me. So, let's go check it out. Wide open range, as you can tell. Yeah. Check out the Marlin Model 60. Has not been shot yet, just got here. You said you had a Marlin Model 60 in one of your other videos. Walnut stock. Pretty sure me and you get the same thing, pretty much. Slide. It's Marlin Model 60, and we're going to be shooting Federal Lightnings. Like you said, this is a request video for me, pretty much, and yeah. Let's see how they are. Hey everybody, this is Ryan T25FEL. This is a request for guns, fish, and 4x4. He says the 22 Federal Lightnings suck. Pretty much is we're gonna be shooting some because pretty much is saying that he's having a lot of jams. He's got a Marlin Model 60. I've got a Marlin Model 60 myself. Pretty much is this is not no generic ammo. This is Federal Lightning. Silver nose, as you can tell. Shiny too. It's even got the F there in the back. Maybe you can kind of tell, but maybe not. But anyway, we're going to be shooting these. There's going to be, hopefully, no feeding problem at all. I've never had one problem with them. Sorry if it's a little windy out here because apparently it's going to be raining for the rest of the week, and this was the only day that I could get out here. Got 17 in the tube. Here we go. Federal Lightning. I did not have one problem at all. I will load it up and do a rapid fire. go. Rapid fire 15 rounds. Not one problem at all. I don't know what's going on with you and your guns. I know mine are very well cleaned and maintained, oiled up. But I don't have one problem with the Federal Lightnings and the semi-automatic rapid firing or just doing it smooth like I did the first time. There has not been one problem. Anyway, if you have any more questions for me, or I mean, I'm just trying to prove a point because I know it's a good ammo. I've shot it before. And yeah, feel free to inbox me or comment me because I was just trying to prove something. Just because, I mean, everybody's got differences of opinions. I know they worked pretty well for me. That was shooting the Marlin Model 60 with Federal Lightning ammo. Got any questions or requests for me, let me know. And yeah, later.